Hi, I'm Johnny from Thundergrid, and this is basically a quick guide on just how to get charging using one of our DC chargers. You go to our web app, you've got two choices. You can look at the charge points on a list format, or you can find them on a pin. Select the pin, scroll down and you can see charge now. Select charge now. Then you just want to select the plug that you're going to use. So I'm going to use a CHAdeMO. Hit select, and then I'm going to be here just for about 30 odd minutes. So I'm going to select the amount of time, and it's going to tell me how many kilowatts and how much range I'm going to get. So I'm going to hit start charging, and there we go. So I'm now ready to plug in. It's authorized. It's telling me to connect to the EV. So I'm going to lift up my connector, and I'm going to plug it in to the car. Then what the charger is going to do, it's going to say it's connected to the car, it's preparing the charge, and it's going to go through a safety procedure. So it's going to test the communication with the vehicle to make sure everything is working as it should be. Then it's going to test the isolator to make sure the safety features within the charger is working before any power is delivered. So once it's done the isolation tests, it's then going to start EV charging. And here you go on the screen, it will tell you how many kilowatts are currently being delivered over a period of time. So you're saying our battery's at 41%, and it's continued to charge. Now this is the time, and that's how much time remaining for what we've asked the charge to run for, and that's how many kilowatts are being delivered. To stop your charge, simply push end charging. Oh, you want to stop charging? Yes, I'm sure. Here we go, charging has stopped. The charger will say charging complete, and you can then unlock the cable and return it to its holster.